Okay? You see this pipe, this part. You need to fix this part here. Okay, here. Open this screw, fit it here. Then this is go down, put here. Okay. Then you adjust this wherever you want to adjust. Like for this, you need to make it more like move this. Okay. Okay, then fix this here. Then this you put in drain. Okay, this pipe put this, and this you put in drain wherever you want. If you want to put in ground, make some extension then. Otherwise put in wall, wherever. This machine have pump. It will automatically pump out the water. Okay, thank you.